So in Python, we are we are we discuss about functions, and like later we will discuss about classes. So a module is in Python code is like code library. So code library, in particular that code library we can write functions, classes, yeah, whatever code we have to write. So that is called module in Python. So in Python, for example, we are writing some functions in particular file, and then we just save that code with file name .py extension. So that called module in Python. So for example, the greeting, this is the function, the greeting, I create this function and I create a module.py file and I save that function in that file. So just showing example, yeah. So this is the my module, this module created. Sorry, but yeah, it's a file, and I think it's done. Yeah, so I just write a function in this file by my module.py, and I write that I define the function here. So that's file, that file called the module. That's called, so module is the library. Then we can write our function, our code, our variable, our whatever we require. So that is called the module in Python. Next we will discuss how to use that module. So if you want to use, we already created my module.py, and how to we can use that module. We have to write just syntax import my module. So we just import my module, it will import that module, and that module name, like for example, I write greeting name, that function I want to call that function, then module name dot greeting, and I just pass whatever argument I'm passing here. So it will print that. So in brief way, like we create the model, Python module, and saved in .py file extension, and for if you want to use it, then we have to import with name of the function, name of the module. So whatever name of the module, same name of the module we can import it, and same using that name convention dot whatever function, yeah, whatever we are writing inside, then we can call, and it will work. Another example, variable in the module. So here I writing a person one variable and just create a dictionary. So I create a dictionary variable in this module, and how we can use it in our program. So I write this a variable in this file, and same thing, like we import the module, and the module dot whatever variable name is there, and we can use it. So how can use the dictionary? The previous session we already discussed, like we can use we can pass as a key in square brackets, and it will we will get the key whatever we will get the value whatever key this key hold. So I will print here. So here the as key hold the value 19. So here the print 19. So how, like it's another example, like if we put the variable in the module, then how we call the variable. Another thing, like naming the module. So naming the module, we discuss here the same. So whatever module name we are writing here, the same name we can use all the naming the module also. For example, whatever .py extension we are writing, my module, the module name is my module, so that is called the module of the name. If you want to rename the module, then just is the basic simple syntax, like we can use import module, my module as mx. So as mx, we just rename the module. So it's nothing to do, it's only just rename the module. And for example, the module name, yeah, we are writing any big another library and name is the very big and like unable to like unable to understand what is that. Yeah, we have to write big name in our code, so it will make code ugly. Then we can choose a name convention. We can renaming using edge mx edge and whatever we want to put name there. Then for so same result using the mx dot person edge, same result it will get whatever 19 we are getting here. So same result we are getting here. So this is basic about the module. So how we can create module, use module and naming conventions. Any doubt about modules? Yeah. So in Python also, previously we discussed different kind of inbuilt modules. Python has also a lot of inbuilt modules. So for just I took an example like platform. So platform is an inbuilt module. So whatever we discuss, we discuss how user define modules. So user can define user create their library and use that library in their code. So that another like some inbuilt module also available in Python, so that we can import directly and directly can use. For example, platform. So platform module already available. So it will return okay whatever platform there. This is a Linux platform. Another like using dir function. So dir it will show like whatever in current dir is there. So for example, yeah. So this is the in Python everything is the object. So whatever object hold their information, that will pick up by the dir. So whatever platform hold the information, it will pick up by dir and we are printing that. Okay, this is the yeah. So whatever that platform hold, we can print here. Another use of the dir is like for example, this is the list and I am just printing the list. So whatever metadata of this list, for example, we want to check whatever metadata like we discussed, like extend, index, insert, pop, remove and append, this kind of the keyword is there. This kind of the this kind of method is available already in the list inbuilt Python inbuilt module. So we can list out all of that information using the dir. If you empty, then it will if you are printing the empty dir, then it will show these results. For example, we are writing a user defined class and we can write our custom dir, then it will print whatever information returning in particular dir. So this is the basic about like inbuilt modules and just example taken by the dir. Another inbuilt module generally in general purpose people are using. So OS module use a lot of time in Python. So OS like it's interact with the operating system. So OS module also is an inbuilt function, inbuilt module in Python, and we can use in such a way like yeah. So I'm just printing my os dot get current working directory, so it will put the current working directory. If I taking using the OS module like process ID, so it will get the process ID. So OS module such kind of OS module, other inbuilt Python module is available, but just for example. So if like OS module, if you want to list of dir, then it will all of the list of dir available in particular directory. So this is brief about inbuilt Python module. Now we back to the another syntax in module. So for example, generally you heard about the keyword form and then import. So how it's work? So form, that form especially used for module if want to use directly whatever like functions या classes या variable available in the module. If you want to use that, so then we can use the form. So for example, here we import the my module here, and then we are putting my module.person, then we are getting the result. But if we use from my module and then directly import person1, and then we can get the result. So it's another way to like import module, yeah, and usability of using the form. So yeah, so we can use also to yeah. So most of the time, right, yeah, 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 correct. So these things about modules. Now we will go to the package, but any questions about module, then we can. Yeah. So package in Python, we can say, is a collection of modules plus collection of packages also. So package can hold collect an n number of module, and inside also some package also. So it's a upper level, like upper level, uh, like we have the big library, we have n number of module, we have a number of package, and we want to bundle it, then we can use the we can create a package and we can use it as a library. So that is called a package. So for creation the package, it's a simple, we have to create a directory. So for example, I create this directory, my package name. So I create this package, my package, and inside that so inside this my package I put that my module. Yeah, it's there, but it's not opening. So yeah, my system too slow now, I don't know. Not able to click. Okay. Yes. So whatever the folder I created, that my package, so it's a must, it's a necessary, like if we create the package name my package, then inside if we define that particular directory as a package, then we have to create a empty underscore init.py file. So here I created that underscore init.py file. So but in package my package I created this file, so it's necessary. So what is use of this? It will like this init.py had controlled also. You can right now is MPT. So MPT, like we are importing whatever all libraries and packages available in particular package. If you want to control it, then it will we can define also inside this init.py. So whenever we import package, then Python looking for this init.py file, then go to the other module name. So this package contains my module library. So we can create n number of modules and package inside also. So so this is basic about how to we can create a package and how we define a package and how like underscore init.py will work. And then now we'll go to the how to use that package. So if you want to use the package, then we have to write similar like we discussed previously. We use from that package name and import that my module name. So I import my module from this package. So yeah, so similar. So I import this package and module name.greeting, it will print whatever we want to, like what it work like that. So this is basic about the package. So package in another way, package is the bundle of modules and maybe multiple package. Yeah. So yeah, I done with package. Any questions about? Nested package, like you can use directly like dot then nested package name. Yeah, import my package. That's it. Import my package and you have to write whatever package name you need. You need all, okay, all, then you have to put like star like that. So if you put like that, then it will import by default all, but that is not good way. Yeah, correct. Any? So I done that control flow, functions and modules. So we have 5 minutes, so we can make question answer. Yeah, I done. Yeah, it's uploaded in the Git. It's available in the Git, and I will. Yeah, it's already available in the Git. I will share with Slack link also, Slack channel also. Yeah. So okay, then all done. So put any questions you have to Slack channel, and yeah. Thank you all.